Okay, Algebra 1 students' final example on this assignment. Negative 10 equals 2 minus 3 times the quantity x minus 4 plus 5x. First of all, I'd like to show you what some students do incorrectly, and I'll erase it. I'll go back and fix it. They say to themselves, oh, 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. Now, let's take a look at this. What did they do? Where did they go wrong? I suggest you pause the video and think about it for a second. Okay, where they went wrong is they didn't follow order of operations. 3 times the quantity x minus 4. This multiplication has to precede this subtraction. So that was nonsense. 2 minus, and how do we take care of the multiplication? By using the distributive property. 3x, 3 times x. Now, this is tricky here a little bit. 2 minus 3 times negative 4. Basically, we think of this as negative 3 times negative 4 is essentially how most people end up thinking about it. Technically, that's not what happens, but it's minus. I could cover up that minus and say, okay, 3 times x minus 4. That will be, never mind. It's too confusing. I can't cover stuff up right now very easily. This ends up being plus 12 because we're subtracting 3 negative 4s essentially, which is adding 12. All right, plus 5x. So we look at our like terms. We combine the negative 3x and the 5x, and that's 2x. We combine the 2 and the 12, that's 14. And that gives us negative 10. Okay, so x times 2 plus 14 equals negative 10. Counteract the plus 14 by subtracting 14. Negative 10 minus 14 is negative 24. Negative 24 undo times 2 by dividing by 2. Negative 24 divided by 2. So let's go red again for my solution. So we think that x equals negative 12. Let's check it. Negative 10 equals 2 minus 3 times the quantity x minus 4 plus 5 times x. And I'll stick what we think our solution is, negative 12. So does negative 10 equal 2 minus 3 times, what's negative 12 minus 4? It's negative 16. And plus 5 times negative 12, so that's plus negative 60, which is minus 60. Remember, these are we're wondering, are these equal? All right. 2 minus 3 times negative 16, that's 2 minus negative 48. That's 2 plus 48. Looking good. Negative 10 equals 2 plus 48 is 50, and 50 minus 60 is indeed negative 10. So that is indeed, the number in the bucket was negative 12.